was wondering if anyone heard Tiger Woods fart on the air today, and I was going to ask Ethan if he ever farted when he was playing.
Did he say fart?
No, that's not what he said. Okay. Let's say when wind comes out of different places.
Oh, well, I didn't hear that, but
Did you really fart today?
I have no idea.
I don't know, but I did not. To answer his question, no, I did not.
My producer's in here. What should I do now, Nate? I've never heard that question before. Line 2, Albert. Go ahead, Albert. Line 2.
Yes, I have two questions. I was wanting to know